When you first unbox your iPhone, start by turning it on and following the on-screen instructions to set it up. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign in with your Apple ID, and decide whether to transfer information from an old device. Straightforward, and you can customize settings like Siri and location services during the process. Now make your iPhone truly yours. Begin with the home screen. For the widgets, press and hold on the home screen, then tap the plus icon to add widgets like weather, calendar, or music. For the default apps, prefer Google Chrome over Safari. Go to Settings, find Chrome, and tap Default Browser App to switch. For sounds and haptics, customize your ringtone and text tone in Settings under Sounds and Haptics. Now here's how to get the most out of your iPhone 14 camera. Go to Advanced Settings. In the camera app, tap on the arrow to open settings like aspect ratio, exposure adjustments, and more. Low light photos. The photonic engine enhances your photos in dim light. Just point and shoot. Hidden features. Discover features like burst mode by holding down the shutter button in photo mode. Enhance your safety with these features. Emergency SOS via satellite. If you're in trouble without cell service, open the phone app, press Emergency SOS, and the phone will use satellite to call for help. Crash detection. If you're in a car accident, it automatically calls for help. Ensure it's enabled in Settings under Emergency SOS. Here's how to extend your battery's life. Optimize settings. Enable low power mode in Settings. Go to Battery when you need to save energy. Battery health. Monitor your battery's condition and see if it needs a replacement by navigating to Settings, going to Battery, and clicking on Battery Health, or using the new Action Mode. You can record smooth videos using Action Mode. For that, first off, activate Action Mode. Swipe to Video Mode in the camera app and tap the Action Mode icon before recording. Here's a stable recording tip. Keep the phone steady for best results. Simplify your tasks with these hidden gestures and shortcuts. Back tap. Double or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions like taking a screenshot or launching an app. Configure this in Settings by clicking on Accessibility. Assistive touch. Access functions without buttons by turning on Assistive touch in Settings and going to Accessibility. The iPhone 14 utilizes eSIMs, which are electronic SIM cards. Configure your eSIM by navigating to Settings, clicking on Cellular. Now click on Add Cellular Plan and scanning your eSIM QR code. eSIMs support multiple phone numbers and simplify carrier switching. If your iPhone isn't charging, ensure your cable and charger are MFI certified. Experiment with different wall outlets or cables. For iOS errors, restart your iPhone. If issues persist, update your iOS or reset your settings by navigating to Settings, going to General, and clicking on Transfer or Reset iPhone.